Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to annotate screenshots instantly with CleanShot X. So first you just execute a clean screen snap to trigger the overlay layer. You press Command plus Shift plus 4 on your keyboard to launch your custom area crosshairs, click and drag over your target workspace. Right, for example, I choose this cropping, right, you just choose which area you want to capture and then just release the click. And instead of cluttering your desktop with a unedited raw image file, CleanShot X displays a floating quick access overlay thumbnail canvas in the lower left corner of your desktop view screen. You can hover your mouse cursor over this floating thumbnail card to reveal the interactive workflow options widget. Then you just click on the pencil icon layout and hit the shortcut Command E, to instantly scale open the standalone annotation utility window frame. And this native interface gives you complete access to advanced mockup parameters without making you launch heavy image editing software packages. So your screenshots will be now fully annotated, polished, and ready to share across your product workflows. As always, enjoy and thank you for watching.